Hi dear learners, I hope you all are doing good. We have discussed about the presumptive tests of blood. Now we will cover the confirmatory test of the blood. If you haven't watched the lecture, go check out the description. Here I have mentioned the entire playlist of the biological evidences. So the Takayama crystal lens, commonly termed as hemochromogen crystal test or hemochromogen crystal assay. It is a kind of confirmatory test. Now to differentiate what is a confirmatory and what is a presumptive test, presumptive test is done in order to reduce the sample size in case of the anonymity of the certain sample that you would have obtained in the scene of crime or in the crime scene. Then confirmatory test is done on already assumed sample. In case you have assumed the sample, in case it has passed the presumptive test, and now you know that it could be blood, so now you would carry out the confirmatory test for blood, that is Takayama and Teichmann crystal test. To begin with Takayama test, take this four most important reagents. First one is the standard glucose solution, that too 3 ml. Then NaOH, that is highly basic in nature, that too 3 ml. 3 ml of pyridine, and then distilled water 7 ml. Now this is kind of microscopic test. Stain will be the blood stain will be taken on a microscope, and make sure to put a cover slip on it. This is a slide. Here we will take the blood sample and put a cover slip on the blood sample. Now this reagent is known as Takayama reagent. This reagent will be prepared and warm it at somewhat 65 degrees centigrade for almost 10 to 20 seconds. Now put this prepared, for an example you have prepared this Takayama reagent. Now you have to put it as such that on cooling, okay, on cooling. Now put this Takayama reagent and allow it to slip through this slide, through this cover slip. After a while you can observe it in 100x, and in case the sample is blurred, in case you know that the sample is blurred, you would observe some bright red or pink needle shaped crystal of pyridine hemochromogen. This question is often asked, that what are the crystals? What are the crystals made up of? So here's the answer: pyridine hemochromogen. Okay, they will be pink needle shape or bright red. Have a look at this image. The crystals look somewhat like this. Okay, now we have another, and this is very important because this question is asked in net examination, that what are the crystals made up of in Takayama test. Now Teichmann test, Hemin crystal test or Hamilton crystal test. Reagent that are required for this test is KCl, Ki or KBr, that to 0.1 gram. Then we take glacial acetic acid in 100 ml. Mix them all together. We will follow the entirely same procedure in Teichmann crystal test as well. Microscopic slide will be taken, put a cover slip. That slide should contain the sample, the droplet of blood, the stain that we would have obtained from the crime scene. Then add the reagent, warm it, let it cool for a while, then observe it under 100x. Now this is very important segment because here we talk about the result. Brown rhombic crystal, rhombohedral shaped crystal of what? Of ferriprotoporphyrin chloride is obtained. Okay, here we have observed the pink needle shaped crystal, that too of pyridine hemochromogen, and here we have observed the crystals that are brown in color but rhombohedral in shape. Here is an image which shows how the crystals of blood look like when we deal with the Teichmann crystal test. So this is it for the day. I hope you've understood the lecture very well. In next lecture we will deal with the tests that are presumptive and confirmatory and carried out for sperm sample.